my name is Mike Graves. I'm a veterinarian by trade. Been trading stocks for close to 20 years. I've had VantagePoint for about 2 years. I have many of the trading programs that I use and many that I don't use anymore. I, as I've been trading longer, I've narrowed down the programs that I like to use, and VantagePoint is definitely one of those. I use VantagePoint every single day. I download the data after the market closes. It takes about a minute or two to download the data, and I watch the program every evening, run the program every evening, and check their analysis of the markets. And I've found it to be an incredibly useful tool. As a standalone tool, it's very useful, and in conjunction with my other trading programs that I use to help me decide to enter or exit a trade, even if it's not one of the stocks they track, it helps me look at the overall market or segment of the market that I'm looking at to enter or exit a trade of a position they don't track. But I also use it for stocks that they do track. I use it frequently for gold and silver stocks. I trade that market a lot. I found it to be incredibly accurate in that particular arena. It's probably due to the intermarket analysis that the program uses and how that works with the gold and silver market and the Forex market also, by the way. I just don't trade that as frequently. But with gold and silver, I do trade frequently in that market, and it has been incredibly accurate. The company claims 80% accuracy, I believe, in their marketing program, marketing pieces. And I find that to be true on the stock side. But I do find on the commodity side, commodity stocks, gold and silver stocks in particular, that the accuracy is in excess of 80% for me, probably closer to 85% in my trading. It's made a lot of money for me and saved me a lot of money in losses I did not take on positions I would have stayed in too long or entered incorrectly. So it paid for itself. Well, it's not a cheap program, but it pays for itself very quickly if you use it. It paid for itself for me in one trade. The very first trade I made with it, it paid for itself. As far as the company, they've been very dependable, very helpful. I've not had to use them very much. The first couple of months I had the program, I used technical support a little bit for some questions. Answered very quickly, very efficiently. Once you get the hang of the program, you don't need the support very much, but they're there if you need them. They've been very helpful. So highly recommend the program. Great product. Well worth the money. Good luck in your trading.